What's up, H3 Cruisers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see right now behind me, I'm at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. So today's video is a lot different than anything I've done before. Usually it's cruiser related, family related stuff, but today you get to see one of my other passions. You know, obviously it's not cruising, but I do have another passion, which I absolutely love, and hopefully one day I'll be able to get really back into that and start a second channel regarding that. And if you like the content of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, make sure you hit the subscribe, and make sure you share. But guys, let's get on with it. Let's show you what we're up to today. Okay guys, so before we get into today's episode, I just want to remind you that, you know, we do have our travel agency as well. So if you want to book cruises, flights, hotels, anything like that, make sure you get on Facebook, search H3 Family Travel, and I will gladly take care of any of your vacation needs. But today is, like I said, Laps for Charity. It's a great organization. Once a year, ooh, ain't that sexy? You hear that? Oh my. Oh my. Whew. Why, hello, sexy. Anyways, Laps for Charity is an amazing organization, does a lot of good for kids and, you know, speedway charities and all of that. So we are going out on the track. We're gonna with the Challenger Club. I used to have my Challenger, which some of you guys may remember from some of my older videos, but I haven't had my Challenger for a while. So give me a second. I'm gonna wait for him to back up real quick because it's a little on the loud side. Let me actually kind of move over here real quick. Just a little bit over here. Try to get away from the sound. Why, hello, Dodge Ram. It's getting a little crazy. Anyways, when I had my Challenger, I was part of the Challenger owners of Las Vegas. I still am. We're like a family. Even though I don't have my Challenger, we are still family, still in the club. And behind me, look at this sexiness back there. And this is only part of the club. The club's still rolling in. Gonna get a lot of footage today, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's get going. So earlier I was saying how I had my Dodge Challenger, and sadly I lost it due to circumstances. 2019 was not a great year for me, but eventually as the channel grows and the travel agency grows with the help of you guys watching our videos, sharing our videos, and everything else that you guys do, which is absolutely amazing. But when you book your vacations through us as well at H3 Family Travel, and we grow the stuff, hopefully eventually I'll have my Challenger back, which then once I have that Challenger back that I want to hopefully have one day, I will start a second channel regarding the Challenger and all the stuff that we do with that as well, and then be running 2 channels full-time, hopefully, as well as the travel agency. Yes, it's a lot of work, but I have a lot of goals on what I want to do, hopefully, over this next year. So with your help, guys, remember, like, subscribe, follow, share, everything like that. On Facebook, follow us, H3 Family Vlogs, and also Instagram. But we are definitely growing right now, as you say.
Yeah.
Still waiting. Got a lot more coming. Okay, so we're in my buddy John's Scat Pack. It's 2018, the B5 Blue, and we're getting ready to roll out here and head over. We're going to be the first group out of the 2, because there's 2 groups, maybe, possibly. We're going to try to get in the first group, because the first group is people who have done it before. The second group is the ones who haven't, and we want to try to hit the maximum speed they'll let us and newbies kind of get a little scared of getting too close to the next bumper when you need to. So we got Billy here, the big head man over here in Challenger Owners of Las Vegas. It's like family. We're all family here.
All family.
And look at this. Isn't it a beautiful sight? Right, Billy?
Yes, sir.
And the Scat Packs.
Hellcat.
And all the Hellcats and everything else.
1320 we got.
And telling Billy, eventually I'm going to get my Challenger back and then have a Charger Hellcat and then the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk and a Durango SRT. That's the goal. The 4 cars.
And you will do it, bro.
Yeah, I'll do it eventually. All my subscribers here watching, they're hitting like, follow.
Truck no more. You're doing
Just
reservations or something?
Let me flip it around.
Tours.
So what I'm doing now is full-time Lyft, but I do obviously the YouTube as well right now, but the travel agency as well. So any travel, guys, remember, like I said in this video, H3 Family Travel on Facebook. Billy knows if he needs to travel, planes, hotels, anything.
I'm gonna call you.
You can hit me up.
I need to go somewhere.
We'll get you somewhere.
Yeah.
Definitely get you somewhere.
It's too far to drive.
Too far to drive, so you need to fly. Means we got to get you some plane tickets, hotels, all that stuff. And car. Oh yeah, do the car rentals, all that.
Everything.
I wish I could take a photo of that. I'll have to screenshot that.
What the hell?
The view. That's awesome. Absolutely love it, guys. We're going to have lots of fun here today and hope you enjoy it as well. And I'm going to keep reminding you guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit the subscribe if you haven't already. You got to hit the subscribe. Got to hit 2,000 subscribers. We're getting close to it. Okay, so we just got off the track. We are grouping up over here and had some fun. They didn't let us go as fast this time. We hit like 82 max. When I went on the track a couple years ago with my Challenger, I hit 113. When a couple years before, when I had my black Challenger, I was actually in the pace car. I didn't actually take my Challenger on the track on that time when I had the 2013, but I was in the pace car, and I think we hit 109, 108, somewhere around there. But we also had a Challenger pace car that year, and the person driving the pace car was in our Challenger club, so it definitely helped because we got some privileges. We got to get up there and some speed, and it was fun. Today, not the same, but you know what? It's for a good cause. The money goes to charity. They up the cost. Normally it's $30. This year it's $35 per car. But every car that's coming down here paying $35, it goes to a good cause. It goes to charity. It goes to speedway charities and towards the kids. And you got to have respect for that. Even if they didn't let us go as fast this year, oh well, I guess maybe next year, right? But this every single year down at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. If you're in Vegas when you have the Las Vegas Motor Speedway doing the laps for charity, make sure you register. Make sure you get out and do it. You can take any street legal car out to laps for charity and just have some fun on the track. You got to keep it close. If you fall back, they're going to slow you down. If you keep close to the car in front of you, they're going to speed it up a little bit, up to their limit, of course. But definitely a fun time, great time. Get out here, do it. That's a Dodge Ram, by the way. Just pulled out. But yeah, get out here, do laps for charity, have some fun, and it goes to a great cause. It goes to the children. And also, we do have a new St. Jude's link for the channel, and I will go over that. I'm still trying to get a hold of St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital to fix some things on that fundraiser page. But if you want to get up there and donate anyways, it is events.stjude.org/H3family. Again, that's events.stjude.org/H3family. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Because I know we all did. We all had fun. But take care, guys. Leave that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Obviously, car stuff is not the normal stuff. Usually it's cruise related, right? And whatever else we do. So, like, follow, subscribe. Like our Facebook page, follow our Instagram, all H3 Family Vlogs, and of course subscribe to the channel. Share the videos if you like them, of course, as well. So take care, guys. I'm out.